Okay, so this is the review of common mistakes. So you guys should already have this in Google Classroom. We went over this in Zoom, but just in case. So this line of best fit is pretty much, we went over that. That's a good line. The point is a good line. The first point is over 1 up 40. And then the second point that I circled is 8.5 and 87. So that's a good line. The slope, what they did wrong on the slope here. So what they did wrong is they put X on top. So remember that it should always be Y to the sky. So the X should go on the bottom, the Y should go on top. So this is a wrong slope. And then given this slope, this is the real life context. The real life context is what you guys are missing. But given this slope, which is about 16 cents, so every month the amount is going to increase by 16 cents. Now, this is real life, people. If you get something like that, and this is distance learning, and you go back and look, you should go back and say, hey, this is dollars. This is the amount of money that she has in there for dollars. So no, that doesn't make sense. All right, so this one, common mistake on this. She put X in instead of Y. That was that common mistake. That was X1. So remember when you're writing point slope form, it's Y minus Y1, the Y value of your first point, the X value of your first point. Or you could, of either point, I don't matter. It doesn't matter which point you use. Go back and watch those videos. This common mistake, and I'm seeing both of these happen, that's why I put them. You have to have a Y and you have to have an X. In order to write an equation, you need a Y and an X. And there is no, this would just be some number and it's not right. Next thing, this was magic. How did she get this? So go back through. So this is like magical. I don't know. So obviously Penelope, because remember Penelope is the one who makes all the mistakes. So she looked and she said, oh, well, that should be around 30. If I did everything correctly, my y-intercept should be 30, and I know that y equals mx plus b. Okay, this is fine. So this is my y-intercept is 30, and she started with $30 in her account. That's totally fine. This is all of a sudden magic. I don't know. Use your equations. So in this one, x is 20. Solve for y. And then this, x, you have no idea, but you know that y is 650. So you have to go through and solve. And so you're going to use your proper equation to go through and do that. But that's like what we went over in our Zoom meeting and so forth. But these are just nice little helpful notes to help you out.